There we go. Hello people, I'm Anthony. I'm here to do my review on Sound of Euphouim, the full series review. Okay, dude, this anime, I really enjoyed the series. You know what I'm saying? Episode 13 was amazing, you know what I'm saying? Because basically, the characters, they throughout the series, they've been practicing, their instruments. You know what I'm saying? So for the nationals, you know what I'm saying? And my favorite scene in the episode when they were basically when they were basically playing the song, you know what I'm saying? Like playing the piece. Really, I love that scene. You know what I'm saying? That's like my favorite scene in episode 13. And then come to find out, they actually they made um the band they had they on the wall or whatever, it says gold on it. You know what I'm saying? And I thought that was awesome. And then I love like all the flashback of the credits and like the flashback in the episode. That was amazing. And then and then I also like in the finale episode, I like I, I like all the characters, you know what I'm saying? Like I like all the female characters and their instruments, the way they play their instruments, you know what I'm saying? And then just overall, I really enjoyed it. And it comes to find out they're playing the opening song with with the end credits and stuff. And it's like, amazing, dude. And overall, it was just a really good episode, and I really enjoyed episode 13. You know, and, and then and then and then basically the series, which is really good. You know what I'm saying? The music was good. The song that they played there, it was pretty good. You know what I'm saying? And and yeah, dude, the characters were amazing. I really enjoyed the characters, and and yeah, dude, and and it does suck that the series is over. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if they're gonna do like a season two of the series. I don't really know, but anyways, overall, really enjoyed the series. Like, rate, comment, subscribe.